You there, come with me. We need to talk about power outlets. So, in my research that I've been doing since the previous outlet video, I've come to some conclusions, and yeah, let's talk about them. Let's see here. This is a site called ux.stackexchange.com. Here they asked the same question as I did, and then someone said, this is done to make a kid think twice before putting anything stupid into the happy smiling outlet. What kid is gonna stab a happy smiling face? You're kind of already stabbing a happy smiling face if you just, you know, just plugging things in. I remember in the research that it said that Denver had good outlets. Let's see. Was it Denver or Denmark? Denmark power outlets. Look at him. Look at he. Ooh. It's a little Kerbal. It's a little Kerbal. It's a little white. Remember when he made his appearance in the game? Remember when he made his appearance in the Game Boy and he was like white on the box art? That's him. That's him right there. This one's winking. This one's winking. This one's happy and this one's kind of like blush. Yeah, little goofy little guy. Goofy little guy. God, Denmark must be like heaven for power outlets. All of them are so happy. There's like no 3 peas in a pod. No 3 peas in a pod. They're like little anime characters. Oh, it's winking. This one's a cube. This one looks like what's his face from Adventure Time, Beemo. I think it's Beemo. It's the cosmic drive key from Pikmin 3. Look at how happy they are. These here are all surprised actually. That's what I'm saying. You can just have a surprised face. So then why are we stuck with this one? This one's fine. It looks like it's embarrassed. Denmark must be like heaven for power outlets. I've never seen power outlets that happy. This is a place where all power outlets want to be. Near the water, where they could take a good swim, absorbing all the electricity that electricity has to offer. On a boat. I don't know what's going on here. This just looks like an AI image. Is that like... whatever. I'm sure power outlets love it too. You see all that liquid? That's not water. That's actually like the life stream. Every time, every time a power outlet dies, it joins the life stream, and then the life stream makes a new power outlet. A happy one, like it should be. Yeah, see, look. This is a power outlet. This is a power outlet. Over here is a pieces of power outlet. This is a Virgin. This is a Chad. But you see where I'm getting at, right? I mean, it could be happy. It could be happy. But they didn't do it. They just didn't put in the effort. Alright, I need to tell you something. This is what my power outlet that powered my AC looks like. He's a unique dude. You know, he's different from the others. He's still sad, but he's a little deformed. He has like a third eyelid, not a third eye, just a third eyelid, and only one of his eyes are working. The other one is just forever shut. So you can imagine his pain compared to the other power outlets. But well, not today, a couple of months ago, it got the best of him. He powered my AC for a long time, and then all of a sudden, sparks flew out. No one else was hurt. There was no fire or anything. But it's safe to say that this power outlet died. It was a different color. It was black instead of white. But whatever color it was a special part of the family. And I hope he has a good time in Outlet Heaven, otherwise known as Denmark, where they get reborn as happy circles instead of sad squares. So rest in power, old buddy. I'm sorry to end this on such a serious note, but at least now it explains why I don't really upload frequently. It's not because I was animating in animation or that I'm in college and doing work. It's because a power outlet that was dear to me and my house has gone to Denmark, let's just say. Anyway, that's it.